Ushio lamps are Sony certified lamps. This process may only be performed by technical service personnel who have received lamp replacement training. The lamp is a glass product filled with high-pressure xenon gas. Impact or friction may cause the lamp to break or burst. When handling lamps, always wear a face shield which covers your face and neck, protective gloves, arm cover, and a protection suit to reduce the amount of exposed skin. Wear shoes that completely cover the top of the foot. The tools needed for lamp replacement are a 17mm torque wrench, a 17mm socket wrench, a 3mm torque driver, a 3mm hex driver, and a dust blower. Prepare the protective cover, protective sheet, and individual packaging box before removing a lamp. Turn off the projector. In order to prevent burns or lamp breakage, only perform lamp replacement after the lamp has cooled sufficiently. As a rule of thumb, lamps should be allowed to cool for 60 or more minutes after being turned off before replacing. Before beginning lamp replacement, check that the power breaker has been shut off. Open the rear cover of the main unit. Use the attached key. Loosen the cold mirror screw and rotate the cold mirror assembly in the direction of the arrow. Loosen the 5 screws. And remove the maintenance cover. Remove the bolt from the anode harness. Support the lamp's anode base while loosening the cathode side screw. Take care not to over-loosen the screw. Doing so may cause it to fall. Support the lamp by holding the cathode side base and loosen the anode holder screw. Then move the anode holder in the direction of the arrow. Hold the lamp firmly and remove it. Make sure not to hit the reflector. Put the removed lamp into the protective cover. Close the lid and return it to the dedicated box. Ensure that the lamp's cathode electrode is on the side of the packaging box marked up. Use a blower to remove any dust inside the lamp house. Remove the new lamp from its box. There are 2 types of anode harnesses. One has an integrated anode harness and the other does not. For the separated lamp, please follow the procedure below. Loosen the screw and bend the wire of the anode harness. The large side of the electrode is the anode. Connect the anode harness to the anode side. Under no circumstances should the protective cover or protective sheet be removed when checking the electrodes. Place the anode harness with the hexagonal bolt holes at the top and secure the anode harness. Then tighten the screw to 120 centinewton meter. Open the protective cover and remove the protective sheet. Insert the lamp into the connecting position. Make sure not to hit the reflector. Hold the cathode side of the lamp firmly and raise the anode holder. Place the anode side base on the holder and tighten the anode holder knob. Gently tighten the anode harness bolt. Hold the anode end, insert it into the cathode side lamp insertion point such that there are no gaps, and tighten the hexagon screw to 120 centinewton meter. Tighten the anode harness bolt again to 15 newton meter. For lamps fitted with anode harnesses, make an angle of 45 degrees between lamp and harness. Ensure that the anode harness does not come in contact with any metal parts. For lamps with integrated anode harnesses as well, make sure the harness does not come in contact with any metal parts. Put the maintenance cover back in place and tighten the 5 screws. Rotate the cold mirror assembly back in place and secure with a screw. Put the rear cover back in place and lock with the attached key. Turn on the projector, then press the system start switch. When the screen appears, press Login. Select TR Setup and press Accept. Enter the password and press Accept. Press Menu, then select Projector and Lamp Install. Press Next. Register the serial code. Each lamp box contains a lamp serial code. Some lamps have 2 codes, so enter the serial code as appropriate for the projector model. Press Next and OK. Then perform adjustments as directed in the Sony manual. This completes the lamp replacement process.